Hi and welcome. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Canvas rubrics. You can add a rubric to any assignment in Canvas. So you can add it to a regular assignment where students upload a file or where students type a response to you, or you could add a rubric to a discussion board. Some of the benefits of rubrics are that they provide clarity on your expectations for students before they even start the project. They give students a chance to self-assess their work and make improvements, and they create an opportunity for you as a teacher to give specific and actionable feedback.
Okay, so let's take a look at how you might create a Canvas rubric. From the course you wish to create it in, navigate to the global navigation bar and click on Rubrics. From here, you'll see the rubrics you've created in the past, and you can click on Add Rubric to create a new one. You're going to give the rubric a name, and then you are going to list the criteria that you plan to score. So the first thing that I want in this writer's response is I want to make sure there's a central idea. So I'm going to click the pencil. I could give a more detailed response here if I want, but I'm going to just leave it the central idea. And now you can see I have a row for central idea. If the kids, right now, I can decide how I want to rate a central idea. So for 5 points, right now we'll click the pencil. And I'm actually going to change it. I'll give them 3 points if their project is well done. And this would mean that the central idea is well developed and clear. So I'm actually going to have a 2-point value and a 1 point and a 0-point value. So right now I only have 2 ratings. I'm going to add another. And this would be for 2 points. This would be an okay job. That's a descriptor of the rating. And then this would mean that the central idea is present and partially developed. And I'm going to add one for 1 point. This would be needs work. This would be evident, but not developed. And then finally for 0 points, I'll click the edit pen here. I'm going to describe this as needs lots of work. This would be central idea may be present or may not. So now I have developed a criteria and 4 different ways to rate it and the total value of points it's worth. Now I might want to assess this writing on another criteria too, in which case I can click create criteria. And I can make a whole new blank row, but I find it easier just to duplicate the one above, especially if you're going to give the same point value. So I want to be able to do 3, 2, 1, and 0. I would duplicate. So I'm going to click duplicate the central idea. And now I have a second row, and I can come in here and edit this. And so for this one, it's going to be organization. And I just have to click my pencils here and change what that looks like. So you're going to continue editing and adding criteria until you get a rubric that you like, and then you'll click Create Rubric. And there you have it. You've created a rubric that you can attach to an assignment.
Once you've created a rubric, you can use it over and over again, or you can duplicate it and make new copies. You can attach it to any assignment. Students would then see the assignment in Canvas, and below it they would be able to click on View Rubric and see your clear laid out expectations. Once students have submitted their work to you, you can click the dot 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 next to the assignment and open it up using SpeedGrader. Here you'll see the student's work on the left, and on the right you'll see an interactive rubric that you can fill in. You can go criteria by criteria, assigning points, and you even have a little place where you can click the text bubble and give specific notes to students about what they need to work on next. I hope this video has given you some insight on how Canvas rubrics can help provide clarity for students. And if you have any questions, reach out to your LTC. We'd be happy to help you get started.